to welcome everybody. We have Elizabeth and Janie. I know you all think Disneyland's the happiest place on earth. It's not. It's Melissa's Produce, and you are right here in Melissa's kitchen.
Well, guys, we're going to have so much fun today. A 4-course meal. We're going to have special guests popping in and out. We're going to get it back to Chef Tom here. We got 4 courses coming up very shortly.
The definition of too many cooks in the kitchen.
Today was so fun. It was what I called food, fun, and football. The most amazing guests.
LT, how we doing, man?
What's cooking, guys?
Now I'm really, really hungry, except, was that cauliflower?
Look at those knife skills. It's like I'm watching a master class.
Melissa's is a fruit and vegetable company, and we deliver fresh fruits and vegetables globally. We had a cooking class on Zoom, and this way everybody either donated $250 or $350, and they got a box, and we made the recipes here today.
This event was so big for HomeLight Family Living Program. I want to thank the Chargers, I want to thank the Spanos family, Jane Allen, Melissa's Produce, all the celebrities were here. This is really special for us because we couldn't do the work that we do without support from the community, without support from people like the Chargers. This allows us to really help families the way we need to help them.
It's no secret that homelessness is an issue in Los Angeles. I remember Midnight Mission from a little kid. What they do is so impressive, and I just love being a part of it. You know, to think that we can make a difference in this special way, it is just wonderful. I'm very grateful to the whole staff, to everyone.